For letter sounds, what sound does R make? R says R. Good job. What sound does T make? T says Good job. What does O say? O says Good. What does K say? K says Very good. What does A say? A says Good job. What does G say? G says G. There you go, a little bit louder. How about, I already did that one. What does C say? C says
cat.
C for cat. That's right. K is the sound. What does D say? D says Very good. D says duh. Did that one already. There's some repeating in here. I haven't looked at these in a while. What does H say? H says Very good, Aaliyah. What does F say?
F.
Yeah, it's F. What does F say? F says F says Thank you. Good job. F says Did that one. What does P say? P says Very good, Aaliyah. And E. E says E says Close. Close. What does V say? V says Thank you. Good thinking. V says V. Very good. What does X say? X says
X-ray.
X for X-ray. What sound does X make? X makes Good job. Let's see what else is in here. How about L? What does L say?
Oh.
Oh. Good job. What else did we not do yet? What sound does S make? Very good. I think that's all the ones in here.